Hi, this is Nicole Simpson doing sputum collection. I have a doctor's order and we have a male patient who has come in for congestion and the doctor has ordered a sputum collection. It is signed by Dr. Know-It-All and we're going to go in and have a look at this patient. So entering the patient's room. Hi, I'm Nicole. I'll be your nurse. Coming into the room, close the curtain for privacy. And you're here for congestion today, and the doctor wants to get a sputum sample. But before we do that, I'd like to check your name and date of birth, if I can, please. And you are?
My name is Dan Rita.
And your birthday, sir?
June 20, 1942.
Okay. So we've identified who the patient is, and we're going to clean the stethoscope here before it touches the patient. We're going to listen to breath sounds, sir, just to confirm the congestion. Okay. I'm going to hand sanitize. Okay, sir. If you'll lean forward, I'm going to listen to your breath sounds. Okay. Take a deep breath in and out. And again. And on this one. Okay. And here. And here. And one more set down here. And over here. Okay, so it does sound like you have a little bit of a congestion. So to get the sputum sample, I'm going to have you just kind of clear your throat a bit. If you'd like to have a sip of water, please. Thank you. And I'm going to open up the sputum cup. And I don't want you to touch the inside of the cup. Okay. We're going to have about 3 big deep breaths. And then on the 4th one, we're going to have you spit into the cup. Okay. So I'll have you hold this. Okay. And go ahead and take a deep breath for me, please. And again. And one more time, please. Okay, now on this time, I want you to cough into the cup, okay? And get out as much as you can get. Okay. Thank you very much. We're capping the specimen. We do have 5 or more milliliters of sputum, not saliva, into the cup. Going to label the cup and place it in the biohazard bag where it will be sent off to the lab. Sir, is there anything else I can do for you today?
No, I'm okay.
All right. Well, I'll be back in to check on you. As soon as the results come in, I'll also let you know what they are, okay? And then I excuse myself from the room and I chart. Thank you.